Hello guys, welcome back to Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I am going to explain SRH versus RCB Dream 11 complete prediction of IPL 2021. So guys, watch the entire video, definitely you will get better information. So for final information and more information, final teams, so just join our Telegram channel. We are providing number of matches, T10, T20, international, domestic, non-domestic, everything we are providing 100% accurate predictions. So definitely join Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel. The link will be given in description. Thank you for guys. So definitely watch the entire video. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, in this video I am going to cover you Dream 11 prediction and fantasy cricket tips, playing 11 updates, pitch report and injury updates. So before starting the video, I am going to remember you guys, in this video what I am showing you in the bolded letters and colored letters are very important key points. Just concentrate on that points please. Okay. So guys, here you can see Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan's start was exactly what was expected from him. So in the previous match, means of SRH first match, what we are expecting from Rashid Khan, he did very well what we are expected. So where he came to the ball and he given and he strikes the batsman. So that's the capability of strike bowler Rashid Khan. So definitely take Rashid Khan in your team. He is a good all-rounder come leggy, so he will definitely pick you bunch of wickets. He okay, so definitely try to pick him. And here you can see guys preview. So defeated, okay, so defeated Mumbai Indians, okay, like Bengaluru defeated the defending champions while Harshal Patel did taking with ball and the trio Kohli, De Villiers, Glenn Maxwell. So here you can see guys, in the first match of RCB, Harshal Patel, the underrated name, comes into the action. He did bowling very well and he took 5 wicket haul. So that's the first ever 5 wicket haul against MI in the whole IPL history. So great thing for Harshal Patel. And here you can see as well as Kohli, ABD, Glenn Maxwell also contributed very well. So they won easily. So here you can see guys, Sunrisers started with defeat against Kolkata. And here you can see guys match details. So match details are Sunrisers versus Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Venue MA Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai. Time 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Live streaming of this match will be going to be on Star Sports Network and Disney Plus Hotstar guys. Pitch report guys, in this fantasy journey, in this fantasy life, definitely while creating a team, definitely 100% you have to know pitch report. So this will be the 100% crucial thing what we are going to use to create a better team in your fantasy cricket. Okay. So why I am saying this is guys, without knowing pitch report, you can't even able to win a match. You can't even able to score your points. You can't even able to tough fight with your opponents without knowing pitch. Example I will say you, if the Chennai will be going to be a heaven for spinners, right? So in that pitch you are carrying bunch of batsmen and bunch of pacers. Is that right? So that's the not point. You have to carry at least main spinners and some extra spinners with all-rounders come pacers. So that will be going to be a good team. So definitely pitch report will be the crucial thing in this fantasy cricket. So definitely know it. So MA Chidambaram Stadium has playing balanced surface in this competition. So past years, so from so many years, Chennai going to be a heaven for spinners. But in this season, what are the matches held previous last 3 matches? It's gonna better for batsmen as well and bowlers as well. Spinners not performed as much we are expecting. So but in the last match against MI versus Kolkata, the Rahul Chahar leggy picked up 4 wickets and he played a crucial key role in winning side of MI. So definitely concentrate that. I am thinking that it might be a changing spin. So from now onwards, the Chennai will be ruling side of spinners So as last match, Rahul Chahar picked 4 wickets, right? So concentrate on spinners too. And in this match, so toss won't have big impact because so bowlers and batsmen getting easy, and there will be no dew factor like Wankade in this Chennai. So that's the main thing. The toss won't have a much difference. Okay, so here you can see guys probable playing 11s of SRH versus RCB, and here you can see take a screenshots of this, so you will definitely helpful. And here you can see SRH versus Royal Challengers Bengaluru. In this SRH side, there will be going to be a might chance having one change, Mohammad Nabi or Jason Holder. Only one change is going to be happen. And here you can see maybe this will be the playing 11 for RCB. Maybe they are already won the first match, so they will have to going winning side combination only. So this will be the playing 11, so definitely take a screenshots. Here you can see guys topics of for SRH versus RCB for your dream 11 match. From the topics batsman section, here you can see definitely carry Virat Kohli in your team, so because he is a consistent performer and he scored 30 runs from 29 deliveries in last match. And here you can see last 5 T20s he scored 4 matches for 30 plus scores guys, so including 3 half centuries. That means you know how he is in good form, so definitely carry. And David Warner, he got out early in the last match but not impressive, but you know who is David Warner, how he is, so definitely carry. And here you can see 380 plus scores in last IPL 4 games, so definitely pick, don't ignore while checking last match. Check the last previous 5 matches and the name of David Warner will be a big name. Topics from all-rounder side is guys Glenn Maxwell. The glimpse of Glenn Maxwell has started in the IPL 2021, as RCB is a very happy team for him. And here you can see he scored 39 from 28 deliveries. Okay, so this is the best, and he started very well, so definitely carry. Washington Sundar going to be a trump card in this match because he is a opener in the last match. Maybe he not open in this match, but he is a crucial power play bowler and he will definitely give you a bunch of wickets if spin helps much. Okay, so definitely carry Washington Sundar. If he opens, he will be a good pick for VC also. Okay, so he is a trump card for this match. And here you can see guys top picks from bowler section is Rashid Khan, so definitely carry Rashid Khan. In his last 14 toss he picked up 8 wickets. If we choose average every match, he is getting 2 wickets like that. Harshal Patel, he is hero of the first match of RCB, but we can't express as much he did in first match because 5 wicket haul is just a dream for every bowler. Okay, that can't happen in every match guys. Think twice thrice before picking Harshal Patel, but definitely carry as safe player to get safe side, because everyone carrying him because of picking 5 wickets. He so many players will going to pick him as cap VC also, but they don't know every match won't get bowlers 5 wicket haul, right? So he may get 1 or 2 wickets, that's not a problem, but for safe side carry him. In the top wicket keeper section guys, there are 2 options, AB de Villiers and Johnny Bairstow. Go with the both. And here you can see last 5 matches T20 statistics of Dream 11 points what are provided by Virat Kohli, De Villiers, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Rashid Khan. So take a screenshot, observe the points what he are contributing to the teams and what he are contributing to the fantasy teams. Okay, so watch the entire points of these 5 players and definitely pick these 5 players in your fantasy team to strengthen your team, to get a strengthened consistent team. Okay guys, here you can see fantasy team for pre-toss team for this match I will show you, and this team will be going to be a just demo and guidance for you. If you want the final teams, just join the Accurate Fantasy Telegram channel, you will get the final teams, and for more information definitely join Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel guys. Okay, in the wicketkeeper section I pick AB de Villiers. In in this place I pick Saha, and here batsman section Warner, Virat Kohli, Samad, and all-rounders Glenn Maxwell, Sundar, Daniel Christian. In the bowler section Harshal Patel, Rashid Khan, Natarajan. So you can get one idea. So definitely one question: why you pick Saha in place of Bairstow? And here Manish Pandey and other options we have. Why you pick Samad? So I will give you the answer, and this match will be going to be a credit issue match for Dream 11. Okay, so why this will be going to happen? Here you can see 10.5 credits for David Warner and Kohli 10.5, and here you can see 10 points for ABD. So left over the top players are 9.5 credits. So you can't pick all the best players. You have to ignore definitely in this match two or one big player, so that only you can prepare a best combination. If you pick every big player, you don't have to get best bowlers in the bowling section and all-rounder section. So that's why I choose this combination. In this place I left Bairstow and I pick here Samad. That's the reason. So Samad will be going to help you because he is coming in the middle overs. If SRH collapse, he will help you. So he can bowl 1 or 2 overs also. But this is not the final team. Final team will be definitely choosing after lineups only. So definitely join the channel. So follow the channel, guys. This is the prediction. If you like the prediction, just give the like and give support. Thank you for watching.